Hi, I'm Brian Cleary. I'm the Deputy Head of Pastoral here at Swiss International School Dubai. I'd like to start by giving a huge thank you to Emirates NBD for sponsoring the programme for our school. We're really grateful for this opportunity for our students, for our family and also for our school. What I'd recommend most about the programme is that it gives an opportunity for students to learn skills and learn knowledge that will help them as they move on past our school into later life, particularly at university. What I'd recommend most about the programme is the KFI Global team. They brought passion, enthusiasm and an opportunity to really engage with our students. So again, on behalf of all at Swiss School, a huge thank you to the KFI Global team and to Emirates NBD for this experience.
I'm a student at SISD. I found this program interesting and beneficial for some real-life situations adults go through when they're older, because normally in school they don't teach us about finance and money. I think this program is beneficial for other students and they should learn it because it prepares them for real-life situations. I'd like to thank the Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program.
I'm a student at SISD, and the reason why I like the KFI program so much is because it's very engaging and interactive. I find it key for other students to take on this program, as it will teach them life skills that they will need in the future, as you don't get taught how to manage your money in school. And finally, I would like to thank Emirates NBD Bank for sponsoring this program.
My name is Hurmaz Mufid. I am a student at SISD Dubai, and I would like to thank KFI Global for coming to our school and teaching us this. This program was very informative and interesting because it teaches us about less financial lessons that we wouldn't likely get, and I think it's helpful and key for other students to use this program. And finally, I would like to thank Emirates NBD Bank for sponsoring this program.
Hello, my name is Samuel Nagel. I'm a grade 9 student at ISISD Dubai. I participated in the KFI program, and I would thank the NBD for sponsoring this nice experience because it was very detailed in bank details, how credit card works, debit card works, what's the difference, and I think it's a great experience for everyone and that many people should aim to participate in such an event because it will help me in my future. I like to thank Emirates NBD for sponsoring this experience.